Finding a job in the Netherlands takes more than just translating your CV. If you want to find a job in the Netherlands, then you need to know about the requirements for the international workers, current job market, and how and where to find the jobs. If you are an expert and want to find a job in the Netherlands, then this video is for you. But before starting the video, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any notification of my videos. Hi, I am Tina. I am a mother, wife, and proud software professional in a very reputed company in the Netherlands. Finding a job was not very easy for me either in the Netherlands. If you want to know, as a mother of 7-month-old, how I found a job and what was my approach, then please comment below. I will share my struggle experience in the next video. I am assuming that you are legal in the Netherlands and have a work permit. If you want to know about the work permit, then please watch my previous video where I have explained work permits available in the Netherlands. If this is not the case, then I will be making a video separately on how to apply a job from outside of the Netherlands. Let's first understand the job network in the Netherlands. There are lots of opportunities for the expat to work in the Netherlands. This country is a home to a wide range of international and multinational companies. Dutch International alone include ING Group, Royal Dutch Shell Group, Unilever, Philips, and Heineken. Next, I would like to inform you about the requirement of language to work in the Netherlands. You don't need to speak Dutch to work in the Netherlands. In fact, English is the main business language in many companies, but it increases your chances if you do speak Dutch. Many requirements specifically mention if they need Dutch, so it will be a big plus point if you have at least A2 level of Dutch. Now, if you have work permit and good qualification, then next thing come into the picture is your CV. Scoring a job in the Netherlands may be different from what you are used to depending on where are you from. I am from India and the CV format in India is entirely different from the Dutch CV format. In Netherlands, CVs should be no longer than 2 pages. So before searching for a job, prepare or reformat it in Dutch CV format. I have my personal experience where I was applying for a job and I was sending my CV online. I was getting rejection mail within an hour. Then I realized that these are auto-generated emails and I was not including proper keywords to my CV and cover letter. So it is important to, before sending your CV, take some time and modify it as per your job description and include more keywords so that it will increase your chances to get your CV shortlisted. I will put the link in the description below where you can make your Dutch CV for free. Also, if you want to see my Dutch CV format, then please comment below. I will make a separate video on this. Once your CV is ready, you should start applying job. Do not delay in applying jobs. I had experience of it when I came to Netherlands with my 5-month-old son. That time I took break and I was not quite sure where and how to apply for a job. And then after a few months, I decided to start my job hunt and it was a summer break. And vacancies were very less and I started getting disappointed. So it's always a good idea that you start, if everything is ready, then start applying for a job immediately. There are several ways to find job in the Netherlands. First is find job in the internet. In the Netherlands, most companies and organizations include their vacancies on the internet. You can look at the website of the companies and organization where you would like to work and see if they have any vacancies. Job agencies for the non-Dutch speakers also use their website to publish vacancies, and if your profile is updated in the LinkedIn, there also you can search for a job and apply. These are the websites where you can register and create your profile and apply for a job. In the Netherlands, there are job agencies which also help to find a job. Job agencies are a good way to find a job because many companies use them to filter potential candidate. They act as a middleman between employer and the candidate. A good job agency build a strong connection with the company and be their first point of contact whenever the company has a new vacancy. You can either forward your CV to the job agency or apply one of the vacancies, and both can be done in their websites. Once your CV matches the required criteria, they will contact you to make an appointment where they will register you and have a chat about the job and what you are looking for. I will share the link in the description below for the registered job agencies in the Netherlands. In the Netherlands, establishing a network is valuable. You can register with a professional body in the sector where you work for. There are lots of expert organizations you can join, such as Connecting Women, Women's Business Initiative, European Professional Women's Network, the Network Club, and LinkedIn.com. I also got my first job through referral. So these are the ways to find a job in the Netherlands if you have work permit. I will make a video on how to find part-time jobs and applying jobs from outside of the Netherlands. Hence, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my videos. And if this video was informative, then don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.